All right, y'all, so I just made it to a random ass Target. So I'm just chilling here waiting for my boy. I literally walked here. I live like down the street. So anyways, we're gonna be waiting for my boy here. He's gonna pull up in his M4 2015. Oh, there he is right there. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. This boy is definitely pushing P. Sheesh, boy, where you been at? Hey, what year is this?
2015.
Is it F82?
F82 M4, bro, 2015 with the dark satin gray.
God.
Carbon fiber everywhere, bro.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber.
Okay, okay. There you go. Just had to clean the lens up a little bit. All right, bro. You remember you had the, what was the other one that you had before this?
M3.
E92 M3. It was the yellow one, but under the wrap was
light gray.
If you guys watched the video on the yellow M3 that I shot, that was his old vehicle, and then he switched it for this one. Red interior.
Carbon fibers all here.
God damn.
I know.
All right, man. Any plans for the car?
Definitely want to do like stage 2 tune. Want to get like the intercooler done, intakes, charge 5 blow valves. You know, basically everything that needs to be stage 2 aesthetically. I want to make it very nice. Okay. Make sure like the fitment is very clean. Everything looks very, very, very nice overall. We'll see how it goes in terms of like long term with like bags and all that other stuff. Okay. And then trying to get like sponsored if possible. Okay, and we'll then see how we go. How
much horsepower are you trying to sit at, like, comfortably?
Comfortably 550 wheel horsepower would be nice. 550? That would be nice, yeah. I think stage 3 pushing it is a little too much for daily commuting.
Okay, so how much horsepower are you sitting at right now?
Right now, it's at 420. Okay. Yeah, 420 horsepower. Stage 1's about to get done with boot mod 3 tuning. Okay. I just did the crank hub as well. Usually with F82s, you guys know that you gotta always get the crank hub done. With this type of engine, because they always usually spin out, and it drills like a hole in your engine, and it could possibly mess it up. Okay. You have to replace the whole engine. So, you know, big recommendation. Always do your crank hub on these vehicles. Yeah. All right. I was just gonna say one more thing. After you do the crank hub, basically your engine's very reliable, like very, very reliable. Okay. Just to keep that in mind. All right, man.
So we're gonna go ahead and he's gonna let me drive the car. Like I said, this is one of my dream cars. We're gonna go ahead and put on the GoPro now, and I'm gonna show you guys the POV footage, and let's get straight to it.
Let's do it.
Oh shit!
Like flying everywhere, bro.
My boy saw the red light, like, oh my God! You need to leave! Holy fuck! Holy fuck! That's fucking scary! Look at my hair, dude. Look at
Oh my God.
Oh my God, dude.
Jesus, bro.
That's amazing. Alright, so we put down the e-brake to the right.
So now you're in.
Drive.
Drive.
Okay. And then this is just regular automatic, right?
Yeah.
Here we go. This is stock suspension, right?
Yes, yeah. And so right now it's like on efficiency mode, so the flaps are closed, so there's no exhaust. But if you press the M1 button on your steering wheel, which is that one, then exhaust will open. See?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can definitely hear it. So if you want to close it, you just press that again?
Yeah, correct, yep.
Nah, I want to keep it open.
How'd you like the drive so far?
Damn, man. If I had the money, I'd definitely get a BMW for sure. But I'm gonna just stick with my Mustang for now. But...
Hey, you're gonna get it though. Watch. I'm telling you, you're gonna get something crazy. I already know. Watch.
Oh my God.
Oh shit! All your stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab my stuff real quick. You said JM4?
Wait till it's lower.
Oh shit. Alright, bro, let me just grab my stuff real quick.
Bro, I'm telling you, like Sunday when it's lowered, bro. Oh my god, bro, this shit's gonna sit so fucking beautiful.
I need lotion, bro. I be putting hella lotion on my hands
You're telling me, bro, I put so much.
and it goes away.
Yeah, bro. I don't know if it's the weather or what, bro.
I think it might be the weather, to be honest. Like I said, I put hella and it always goes away. Alright, bro. Well, it was a pleasure.
Yeah,
we're gonna kick it soon again.
Hey, definitely. Again, we gotta do it. We'll keep an update with the car.
Yeah.
Every time we tune it, every time we do something, definitely we can, keep an update on that stuff.
Yeah, if you got any time, we could probably make a video and shit like that.
Yeah.
Anyways, man, take care.
Right,
Tell your mom I said happy birthday if she remembers me. And have a good time, man. Be safe. All right, man. Later. Alright guys, well that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to smash the like button down below, as it helps with the algorithm and it helps me as a creator to be able to reach other people and to pop up on other people's recommended. And if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace out, guys.